Well, hello from everyone at Bag Books. Time for another story, and this time we have Museum Mystery. Are you ready? It was the school holidays, and Mike had been spending the day with Dad at work, where he worked in the ticket booth at King's Cross Underground Station. It was the end of the shift. "Come on," said Dad, "time to go." And he pulled down the blind. He pulled down the blind. "What's that?" asked Mike. He'd spotted something on the floor. "It's a pocket watch," said Dad. "It's a pocket watch," said Dad. "And on the back it says, 'This belongs to the museum. Do not remove.'" "We need to go to some museums," said Dad, "and see where it belongs." "Oh no," said Mike. "I hate museums. They are so boring." "Come on," said Dad. They started at the Natural History Museum. Whoa, look at that huge dinosaur. Look at that huge dinosaur. "Yes," said Dad, "but I don't think they needed pocket watches 66 million years ago." "Let's try the British Museum." "What are these symbols?" said Mike. "What are these symbols?" "These are hieroglyphics," said Dad. "The Egyptians used pictures instead of words. But I don't think they needed pocket watches 5,000 years ago." "What about the Romans?" said Mike. "Check out this soldier's uniform. Check out this soldier's uniform." "Very nice," said Dad, "but I don't think they needed pocket watches either 2,000 years ago." "Come on, let's try the Science Museum." "This is so cool," said Mike. "They've got all sorts of machines. And can I launch this rocket?" Whoa, amazing. But I don't think they use pocket watches up in space. "Come on, one more museum. Let's try the V&A. Look at all these wonderful costumes. Look at all these wonderful costumes. And look at this," said Mike. "The pocket watch fits just perfectly. The pocket watch fits just perfectly." "So," said Dad, "do you still think museums are boring?" "No way," said Mike. "And I found a leaflet for where I'd like to visit next." Lots of leaflets for where I'd like to visit next. So there you go. There is our museum story, the Museum Mystery. I hope you enjoyed it. Take good care.